Okay, we're back. We're doing experiment number 2 because experiment number 1
failed.
Well, sometimes you have to test things. A real scientific experiment. Okay, when you're doing scientific experiments, you should never test something just one time. Did you learn that from?
Mm-hmm.
3 times. We're adding Ryan Sullivan to the panel. This is Avery's brother. He's here helping us. He is a 7th grader who is familiar with rates of diffusion, and so now it's a team effort. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I would like you to take how many cups of water are in there?
2.
2. Can you please pour that in there? Okay. Then, ma'am, can you please measure 2 cups from the hot water that I heated again?
Right, can you measure? Mm-hmm. Okay. Tell me when to stop. Keep going. Okay, stop.
Is that a little over? Is it right? Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, so let's measure, please, the temperature of this water again, and then I'll have you record it.
I think it's about 70. Yeah, it's 70.
Ooh.
Oh, it's
So,
down.
let's see.
Yeah, it's about 70. I would think so.
Okay, maybe
Yeah,
even
69.
69. Okay, so please write 69.
I'm going to put 1 and then I'm going to put 2.
Perfect. Okay, let's do this one.
Oh, this is going to go up a bunch.
Let's see.
Oh, that went to like 100.
Ooh,
Oh, that isn't.
Ooh, let's see.
That
No,
isn't.
oh, wait.
Oh, it's oh, it's like 105.
105. Okay,
Okay, that's exactly.
ready? Let's do this at the same time. How about if we have the stopwatch ready?
I have a stopwatch.
Okay. How about if you do one, then you want to do them at the same time
yeah.
together?
When it's
Okay, now remember, don't squirt. Yes. Okay, as soon as it hits, when I'll tell you when to start. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3,
This is hard.
4, 5. Okay, go.
Okay, now this one's going a little bit faster. Oh no, that one's going faster. Oh, this one's going slower.
Okay, take a look. Tell me what this water is doing.
It is kind of like swirling around.
One water is swirling. What is that water looking
It's like spreading.
But is one water moving faster than the other, or is one?
Yes,
or are they the same?
This one's moving a little faster. This one's going a little bit slower.
you get 20 seconds.
Okay, so 20 seconds. So let's make some observations about the water.
Okay, this is the red one. Slow, and then this one is fast.
Okay. Okay, and then we need
Now
something at
it's
40 seconds also.
Oh, I put that at 40.
Okay, well we'll you know what? Write it underneath so we'll know. Okay.
And then like this.
So that's kind of interesting, isn't it? That we can see actually the swirl.
Oh, it's already past 40.
Keep going.
Okay.
Tell us when we're at 60 and then stop it. Right?
Slow.
60.
But
Okay, so 60. What's happening at 60? So that's interesting, kind of the way we can see one pattern of water.
it's like the same at 60.
Okay, it's about the same.
Yeah.
But if we look at the water right now, what's happening to the red water?
You can see this one's
so the
swirling a lot faster than this one.
Yes.
Yeah, this one's kind of like going down slow, but this one's spreading a lot, and this one's kind of going
This one's
around.
still kind of moving.
It's still moving, but it's kind of spreading too.
Okay.
But I would say that like this one is kind of going around too.
Okay.
This time.
Okay. But that is interesting to see now. So this water is just still,
Yeah,
and this water
it's moving.
is
But
definitely moving.
it's slowing down a little bit as the time is going.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what can you determine then about when you see something diffusing in cold water and then something diffusing in warm water?
It makes the moving different.
Okay, so the hot water
Yeah.
has some movement in it.
Yeah, and then this one's just spreading. How about you?
Yes, Brian?
That one's a lot faster because of the water molecules are a lot moving faster in the hot water.
Okay.
And this one's very slow, and you can just slowly see it spreading, whereas this one was quick.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, so if we what if we're going to those are our observations now. So if you're going to infer something, so what do you think happened? This is part of our conclusion.
The hot water maybe made it kind of slower cold water was just like fast.
So
I don't know.
I know it's tough. It's tough, isn't it? Because this is still moving,
Yeah, and then this one's like slow, like not even moving anymore.
not moving really at all.
But it's like going like this. It's like
Okay.
like not even that fast. This one's like as if it's like.
So this is moving. So this is maybe diffusing, going from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. You think that's moving a little?
Yeah, but what, like, this is all red, like, there's not any light spots, but, like, this is, like, lighter, and then it gets really, really, like, a purplish, darkish kind of.
Okay.
I think that's where, like, if we dropped it, like, around,
Mhm.
then but we dropped it in the same place.
Okay.
So I think if we dropped it in the same place, it kind of, like, diffuses, like, down in there,
Okay.
and then, like, slowly.
Well, that's what.
spreads a
Now
little
that's
bit.
something that we talk about when we talk about controls and something. Control means the things that are the same. So what the controls in this experiment are: the same bowls,
Mhm.
the same amounts of water, the
Mhm.
same amounts of drops.
Yeah.
We used we had the same amount of time, and we used the same measuring instruments. We used the same water cup,
Mhm.
and we used the same thermometer.
Mhm.
So, what do you think? And the variable, the thing that we're testing, the thing that's different is the water temperature. Okay. So, do you think maybe something in our experiment? Do you think there's anything that we did that wasn't exactly the same, or would be controlled? Because part of the control also was 5 drops in here and 5 drops in here.
Maybe.
Do you think when you did it that you did the equal amounts of food coloring in each one, or was the dropper hard?
The drop was a little bit. I think I put like a little bit more and then a little bit less, like a little bit more.
Okay.
And then like a little bit more in this one and a little bit less in that one. I don't know.
You're not sure. Yeah.
It was hard to get like perfect, like.
It's hard to be perfect. So when
Yeah.
you're squirting this, maybe that was part of.
Yeah.
It was very hard to be exact.
Yeah.
So this may have been a little bit of a problem in our experiment. Okay. Well, you know what? That's why we do something more than once. So let me ask you this. So if you were going to do something in real life when you were mixing things up, can you think of any of what you might be able to apply this lesson to?
Probably I would have done like a little bit less drops in it. I don't know.
I know. The drops might have been a problem, right?
Yeah.
Because maybe what we're seeing is the food coloring. Maybe these droppers don't really allow us to do exact amounts of drops.
I would think if you like actually like put it in like one of these like and put like 1.5 ounces.
Okay, so maybe in order to have this to control for the amount of food coloring, we need to find something better than these droppers. Because it's hard to measure the drops exactly.
Yeah, I would like get like a little tiny little thing that it still measures and like put it like and try to get exact. Like this one was not exact. Like we didn't put in exactly.
Okay, so these were
2 cups.
So if we're going to think of the whole experiment, we're going to conclude that maybe the droppers in here didn't give us the exact amount of drops in the same one.
Yeah.
So maybe this one had more drops and this one maybe had less drops.
Yes.
Okay.
But this one took a lot of drops because I can just see like all the.
I see what you're
still
saying.
trying to go.
I see what you're saying. Okay, that's part of doing experiments. You know what? We talked about it. We concluded not just what happened, but what maybe was part of the problem too, right? Okay. Well, thank you so much for all of your help.
You're welcome.
Thank you too, Ryan.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.